In this short tutorial, I will show you how to increase the touch sensitivity on your Samsung device. Increasing the touch sensitivity can be helpful if you feel that your device is not responding accurately to your touches or if you are using your device with a screen protector. To get started, swipe down from the top just like this and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down a bit and tap Display. After that, scroll down to the very bottom of the page. And now you'll see an option called Touch Sensitivity. Increase the touch sensitivity of the screen for use with screen protectors. To increase the touch sensitivity on your Samsung device, simply toggle on this switch over here. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.